Hi guys, today's book recommendation is for Clean Getaway by Nick Stone. You might be familiar with her work as the author of Dear Martin, which is a really excellent book. Clean Getaway is her most recent book as of now, which is April. She does have a new one coming out in the fall called Dear Justice, so keep your eyes out for that one if you're a fan of Dear Martin. But Clean Getaway is about a different kind of kid. William Scoob Lamar is their main character, and he's been in a lot of trouble lately. He just can't seem to keep things together. And so the shenanigans that he's been up to have gotten him on lockdown at home. He's not supposed to leave. He's not supposed to go anywhere. Dad has made that clear. But when Grandma shows up with an RV and says she is ready for a road trip, for better or worse, he decides he is in and he's going, and that is that. So he hops in and they start on this kind of wild ride where there's not really a plan. She's got a map and she has what is called the Traveler's Green Book. The maps are old though. The Green Book is old, and Scoob doesn't really know what Grandma is up to. But as they continue their journey, it seems more and more that she's got some secrets and that things just really aren't adding up. And then at one point, you guys, he sees on TV something on the news about his own kidnapping. So he knew that Grandma wasn't answering Dad's phone calls, but what he didn't know was that they've considered him to have been kidnapped. Which is crazy. Can you imagine if you were watching the news and you saw a kidnapping report about yourself and you didn't know you had been kidnapped? Oh my goodness. So, here are some of the things that I really like about this book and why I'm recommending it to you guys. One, read anything and everything written by Nick Stone. She's brilliant. She's so smart. I love listening to her talk about why she writes the things that she writes. And I think that you guys should absolutely do the same if you have the opportunity to watch videos of her or to go to any writing events where she is going to be present, because I think she's phenomenal. So that's the first reason I picked it up. Second, it's a great fun adventure, and I think it shows that you can learn a lot about yourself and your family by spending some time together, which I think we've probably all found out during this quarantine and spending time at home with our families. But it's a different kind of adventure and a different kind of time together. And so I really like the way she creates this relationship between them and gives the grandma such a rich history. And I also love that we learn a little bit about history in the course of this book. We see the way William learns about what it would have been like to have been Black and in the South during the time that his grandmother was young. She herself is white, but she was married to a Black man, and the things that he learns about their relationship and the way they traveled and the places that she's going now really tell him a lot about what it might have been like for her and his grandfather when they were young. And so I love that it's a different way to bring a little bit of history and a little bit of truth into your reading so that you learn a little something along with getting an awesome, great adventure story. So I highly recommend that you guys pick up Clean Getaway or anything at all written by Nick Stone. All right, thanks guys. See you soon.